Hello guys, welcome back to Scratch Tutorials part number 18. It's the sensing part number 4, programming with Scratch, entertainment for computer programming. So it's the last tutorial about the sensing, which is the sensing part number 4, and today we are going to do the rest of these inputs in the sensing section. So let's try one by one, but first we have to grab us when the space is pressed today. Yeah, when the space is pressed. Then let's try this one, mouse down. What this means, basically you can see that like we can use it by, if the mouse is down, say hello for 2 seconds. Oh, not that. Say hello for 2 seconds. Now, so when the space key press, if the mouse is down, means when I press my mouse, so it will say hello. If not, then it will not say. So you can see I have to do two commands. So instead of that, let's say when the sprite is being clicked. So now hello. The mouse is down, so it's saying hello. Like you see that it's not obeying the command because it's not setting the sprite. So the first command is when the sprite is being clicked. Then if the mouse is down, then you have to obey the command in the inputs, which is say hello for 2 seconds. So this is about the function about the mouse down. Let's rest of these a bit. Mouse X and mouse Y. For all, just delete this whole command. Let's say when the space key pressed, say mouse X for 2 seconds, and then let's pick up the wait 1 second, and then let's take another say hello for 2 seconds, and this time we'll take the block mouse Y. So what are we actually coding is that when the space key is being pressed, stop it, say mouse X for 2 seconds, which means the difference, like where's my mouse X position is, like when I take it like here and press my space key, the X position of the mouse is 52 and the Y position of the mouse is -37. I tried again, and this time the X position is 52 and the Y position is -31. So simple is that, nothing you do with that. And now let's read it. -62, 162, and this is Y position is 106. So this is a definition of this mouse X and mouse Y. So not to do anything else about that, because these two are very easy. So let's move and check these blocks. Just delete these blocks that I've done it. So now when the green flag is being clicked, and you can see that as we can the answer. So we can also do it with these inputs, loudness and time. Let's try the loudness one. It actually counts the loudness. How am I speaking? The maximum loudness is 100, and you can see the loudness is multiplying by 8. So what we can do is not to just say that. Let's say set size to, when the green flag is being set size to loudness. You see that? And now when the green flag is being clicked, it's let's show it too. The loudness is at 35. I'm seeing that it's 30, so the size is also at 23. So the loudness was in 23. Let's try a bit more. Size. As you can see, I have my volume is high, so the size was also high. The loudness was also high, so the size was 56. That's all what you do with the loudness, is setting the size according to the loudness, which I am talking about. When I press the green flag, it calculates when the size is and then turns it to what the command is, which is the set size to loudness. So about that we have also done. And now for the basic thing, the timer. What does this mean? First of all, let's change its size to its normal. 100 is too big, let's try 75. Yep. So now timer and reset timer. Basically, when you show the timer, it is telling you when the project has been started, and whenever you press this green flag, it resets it. You can also reset the timer by pressing this reset timer block, and now it's telling the reset timer. But you can see that it's a bit bit, you can say, complicated by decimals, we can choose our round block here, and then we can round the timer like that. Let's pick it up and see that? So it's rounding the timer 19, 20. It's not basically upping here, it's just being there. So what you can do is to first of all add the command, which is when a green flag is being clicked, go to looks, not say hello this time, let's choose another block. We are tired of these blocks. Yep, we can choose go to X. Never mind, say hello. Yeah, say hello for 2 seconds and say the timer. Let's do a bit complicated stuff. Here we go. Say the timer, and then when the green flag click, reset the timer. Basically, first of all, when the green flag is being clicked, you have to reset the timer, and then when I green flag click, it's reset the timer. See, say timer for 2 seconds, not that. So let's add a conditional type that if not say then reset timer, then it will count the timer. If that, you can say, let's go to operators and say if the timer, not say that, like say, yep, you can say that change size. So change size by 10, reset timer, then change size by 10. If the size, which is the right here, if the size is equals to 150, then say timer for 2 seconds. So now what I'm going to do is that when the green flag is being clicked, first of all reset the timer, which means reset this old timer, and then change size by 10. And if the size is equal to 150, you have to say timer for 2 seconds. Let's try it. You can see the size has been now 75 and 85, 95, 105, 115, 125, 135, 145, 155. Now as the command, we have said that if the size is equal to 150, not greater, not less. So let's change the size by 140. And now when the green flag is being clicked, it says 0. Because we have already pressed the green flag. So this time, let's try 50 size. And now I'll increase the time. So what is going on here is that when we always press when the green flag. So all we can do is to first of all reset size to 100, the normal size of every sprite and scratch. We can do is to first of all stop this command, and then said when the green flag, instead of resetting the timer, it resets the timer. So we can add another command, which is when the space key is pressed. More events are very helpful in Scratch for different commands. And now I finally reset it. I'm pressing my space key, and now it's saying the time is 2.94 seconds ago. Now it's round. I don't like decimals, so I'm gonna round it. Round mode, yeah, round. And I'm gonna then say join this one because I want to make a sentence in round timer. The time I take to make size 150 is dash the round timer. So now let's run command here. So what I'm actually doing is when the green flag is being clicked, you have to reset the timing, and then when the space key is being pressed, change size by 10. If the size is equal to 150, then you have to say join, like say the time I take to make size 150 is the timer when you have made it. So instead of I have to change size by 150 again and again, let's set to size the normal size. Set size to not 100, like 70. Yeah, set it. Now when the green flag is being clicked, now first of all 80. Oh yes, about that is that we have added a command in the when the space key pressed. So we have to do when the green flag clicked. Yep, you have to add the command here. And now when the green flag is being clicked, history. 150 the time I take to 153 seconds, so I can't make make all the join block and then say that it's 3 seconds ago. So now we have also done the recent timer. It was a good project. Let's delete all this stuff, and the back of our stage is a bit complicated. We will learn this in later videos. And the current year is as simple. You see current year, current month, current date, current hour, minute, and second. It is very easy, no need to understand. And this is 2000 is 8966.3. So I'm gonna round it, and then username is nothing because I've joined the Scratch. You can join Scratch and then you can make your username here. Forward, like I say, I just deleted my Scratch account. So this is your username, could be like that. So hope you guys like the video. Please subscribe and share it, and have a good day.